Conquering the ACT, Understanding Official Practice Tests. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on mastering the ACT. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial resource every test taker should use: official ACT practice tests. Knowing what these are and how to effectively use them can be the difference between a good and an outstanding score. Official ACT practice tests are actual exams from previous years that the ACT organization releases to the public. They are the gold standard for practice because 1. They mirror the real test format. 2. The content closely reflects what you'll encounter on test day. 3. They provide an accurate measure of your readiness. Using official tests ensures that you're practicing with authentic material and not being misled by imitations or tests of varying quality. There's a saying, practice how you play. When preparing for the ACT, it's essential to simulate the real test experience. Official practice tests allow you to do just that. They 1. Offer insights into the types and distribution of questions. 2. Help you gauge the timing, how long you spend on each section or question type. 3. Allow you to assess your strengths and weaknesses in a realistic setting. Remember, the more familiar you are with the actual test format and content, the less anxiety you'll feel on test day. To make the most of these resources: 1. Simulate real test conditions. Try to mimic the actual test day. This means no distractions, timed sections, and even taking short breaks as you would during the real test. 2. Review mistakes thoroughly. After you take a test, go through every mistake. Understand why you got a question wrong and how you can avoid making the same mistake in the future. 3. Track your progress. Use your scores from multiple official practice tests to track your progress over time. This will help you see if your study methods are working. 4. Balance with study time. While taking full-length tests is invaluable, it's also essential to spend time reviewing content, learning strategies, and drilling specific question types. There you have it. The official ACT practice tests are an indispensable tool for anyone aiming for a top score. Remember, it's not just about taking these tests, but also about reviewing them effectively. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see the results you desire. Wishing you all the best on your ACT journey. Until next time.